Hey guys, this is Dev I and I'm starting a new tech journey. So create simple, clear and practical tech content. Have it in mind that I am not a guru. I'm just a learner sharing my path. While learning, I'll be breaking down concepts into bite-sized pieces that are actually easy to understand. Think of this as your friendly guide to the sometimes intimidating worlds of technology. We're going to focus on the fundamentals that actually help you get things done. So what kind of content can you expect from me? Here is a sneak peek of the areas we'll explore together. Firstly, we are going to talk about command line basics. We are going to discuss about command lines, how to use them in your VS Code, in your IDEs, and how to use them to create file, create folder, remove folder, and do a lot of things with your command line inside your system without leaving your system to go to your file explorer just because you want to create a file, because you want to delete a file and stuff like that. We're also going to talk about project setup guides. Setting up a project is one of the biggest trouble most developers face. They have the issue of setting up their file or constantly having to repeat the same process when starting up a new project. So we are going to walk through the process on how to set up a project easily without having to go through the stress of starting it. Thirdly, we are going to discuss problem solving and debugging while coding. This is another area of coding that most people will really take very easy, but it is a very hard problem. Only when you know how to solve it, that's when it becomes easy to you. So we are going to tackle a lot of common frustrating error together, how to use your VS Code to detect the error, and how to also use your browser to detect where the error is coming from. We are going to solve a lot of things on React, Next.js and other frameworks for your front end. The fourth on my list is code and tool setups. Most beginners don't know how to start up their coding environment or how to set up their coding environment. So in this my lecture, I'm going to demystify how you can set up your coding environment so easy in few minutes and start up your coding journey. For example, I'm going to talk about GitHub and Git for absolute beginners, how you can use GitHub and Git as an absolute beginner, setting up linters, formatters to make your code look professional. These are things we are going to look into very professionally and gradually. We will learn together and practice everything together. My goal is to make everything simple for anyone, either beginner, intermediate or even a professional, to use any tool or any technical stuffs easily without having to go the hassle of searching here and there with no actual results. If you think this kind of content will benefit you in near future, kindly hit the follow button and turn off the bell icon to get notification on my new videos, and also share this with your fellow tech guys so that they will follow up with our updates and things happening on the tech industry. Aside all of this, I'll also be talking generally on things happening globally on the tech industry like AI, cryptocurrency, digital assets and other stuffs that are going to benefit you in your tech journey. So guys, hit the like button and don't forget to share. Bye.